In this video we are looking at the slipping design torque wrench, which features unique slipping mechanism to eliminate over-tightening. It comes with all the necessary bits. It is very easy to set the torque value by unlocking and turning the handle. When the set torque achieved, the mechanism slips free through an angle of 40 degrees, and automatically reset for the next fastener. If the operator keeps applying the load, the wrench will slip again at the set torque. It is impossible for the operator to over-tighten.